here. Desert wasteland everywhere.
Sweet, I'm so tired of sweet, I'm so tired of treating me this way. I'm sick and then
Bye Burbank.
Bye, Burbank.
We're on the freeway to Pasadena and time to crack open the packed lunch. These incredible vegan cookies, some lime potato chips, crack cocaine of American food, vegan beef jerky, Rachel sweets, peanut butter pretzel nuggets, only in America, pineapple micheladas, the champagne of beers, Miller High Life. Only the best for our trip to Las Vegas. We've stopped at a diner and truck stop. The sign saying we're near Area 51, which is really exciting. But as you can see, we've left behind Los Angeles, left behind the mountainous plains on the outskirts, and we're heading into the proper desert now. Hell knows if we're going to have anything here for one vegetarian and one vegan. But we'll see. Let's give this place its credit. Looks pretty good. Fortune teller Elvis? Nothing. And we're back on the road, on the way towards Yermo now. It's 135 miles down the same stretch of road through the desert onto Las Vegas. There's a lot of expanse here. There's a solitary diner, all these motorhomes, if you can see them, and somewhere we've got Area 51. There's really not much to do except lay back and enjoy the ride. We've done plenty of 3.5 hour drives before. This one's exacerbated by the fact there's just nothing here. Just desert wasteland everywhere. We're still in the state of California. California is just a little bit smaller than the whole of Thailand, which is pretty mad. The next state along after Nevada is Utah, and the capital of that state is almost 500 miles away, which goes to show how huge America really is. Wow, I think this might be the state line coming up. See a William Hill advert and a roller coaster. Can I hop over there? Whoa! we go. We're in Nevada. What a welcome. Hey guys, welcome to Sin City. Thought I'd show you around the hotel room and then take you around the strip. So we've only just checked in. We've not had the chance to explore Las Vegas, yes, but it's gonna take a lot for us to leave this pretty amazing hotel room. Here's the bedroom and view. All in all, pretty amazing. This is home for a few days. Found a couple of things when checking in. You gotta have a look yourself. When in Vegas, is your romance kit, 2 condoms, towelettes, personal lube, breath mints, massage oil, and a lover's game. And that can be washed down with contents of this mini fridge. So check down here. Looks like somebody forgot something. It's a special from the romance kit. Now we're ready. Let's go on a tour around the hotel.
Going down. Level C.
Egg chair. What a day. Started off our little flat in Burbank, Los Angeles, then drove all the way through the deserts to Sin City and just been out in Las Vegas. Didn't do much tonight because we're tired, but we're going to be here for a few days. We'll be showing you lots more of Las Vegas and then where we go to on from there. So thanks so much for joining us, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. And gonna go and get some rest, and then we'll be up early with the rest of it and try and stay away from the gambling rooms till as late as possible. Hope you have a good evening, guys, and take care. And I'll leave you with the rest of the light show from outside Caesar's Palace. Take care.